What are you chewing? Oh no, that's a pine cone. Luna, Luna, you drop it. Bad girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now I'm walking Luna. I am walking with her. I'm just playing with her and everything. Look, and now she has a stick. No. Here, you know what, Luna? Here, how about you just walk with me? Yeah, we can just walk around my neighborhood. See what's going on at the Falcons' life. Let's see what's going on. Luna Madonna. Luna, why every time I'm walking, you literally get right in front of me? Like, I swear, one day when you do that, I'm gonna accidentally kick you. See, guys, we got her like a couple weeks ago, and she's already learning to stay close to me. Luna, come on. Oh. She's using the bathroom. Oh, no. She's peeing. She's peeing right now. Damn. She just... Oh, my God. Bruh, I'm honestly surprised about how little she is, and she can leave a river. And she's pissing again. Oh my God, you're pissing again. Alright. So anyway, as I was saying, she's only a couple weeks old, and she's already learning to stay close to me. Luna! No, you don't go underneath people's cars. Do you guys hear that? I swear, I might be going crazy, but I swear, I keep hearing a little girl scream. Like, I keep hearing someone scream. Alright, Luna, it's time to go back to the house. I'm not trying to get my ass killed. Have you guys ever watched any of the horror movies? Yeah. Oh yeah, I also want to talk about everything that usually happens in the scary movies. Number one, every time a character gets its hands on a gun, it's always out of ammo. That's one thing that always happens in the horror movies. And number two, when a situation happens where you need to call the cops or someone, there's always no freaking signal. And if you guys ever watched a Stab or a Scream, then yeah, you would already know what the third rule is. The killer is always someone you know. Luna? No. You do not go in the street. Bad girl. Bad. So, yeah, there's always no signal, there's always no bullets, and the killer will just end up being someone you know. Like your childhood friend or something. Alright, Luna, it's time to go. Time to go, Luna. Oh. You're using the bathroom. Alright, let's go, Luna. What the?
Willow! It's Luna!
Yeah, Luna.
Oh, you're so cutie patootie. She loves me. She
Yeah.
wants to play with me.
Yeah. Say hi to my niece, guys. This is my niece. Eliana, say hi. All right,
Mama.
Aliana, it's time for me to take her inside.
Okay.
What's up, sister? Aliana,
Sorry.
don't be abusing my dog. You literally just freaking ran over her. And Luna, it's your fault too, because you're always in the way. She can literally always go up this little hill right here. But she can never go up these stairs.
Come on, Luna.
Aliana, no, go up that hill. Aliana, go inside. Go inside. Luna. All right, bye guys.